What separates a burger from a sandwich? You were baffled. That's what Sandwich Dad's here for. Let's guide you through it. Now, the first ground meat sandwich goes back to the Qin dynasty, circa about 220 BC. This here's a Rougiamo. Fast forward to 13th century Mongolia and Kublai Khan. When the Mongols invaded Moscow, they introduced them to minced horse meat, which would later become known as steak tartare. Now, between the 13th and 17th centuries, Moscow was part of the Hanseatic League, which was a merchant guild in the Baltic Sea, and they made a place called Hamburg, one of the biggest ports in the area. Russians brought their tartare, the hamburgers turned it into hamburger. Now, Hanover was still a main port in the 19th century, when most European immigrants went over to North America, specifically New York. Aboard the Hamburg America line, what did they serve? Well, hamburger steak. There are competing theories as to when it became an actual sandwich, and that was around 1904 at the St. Louis World's Fair. Then nothing exciting happened until No Name made these cheap-ass beef burgers that are the best-tasting burgers in the supermarket. I also make my own and freeze them. Check out the recipe on my website hamburger section. Now, some of you might say that a hamburger is only beef. It has to only be beef and cooked rare. Don't be such a snob. There are 7 main burger toppings: onions, tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. You're not limited to these, nor do you have to use all of them, but they're the 7 main ones. Remember, cheese isn't a topping. Cheese is a component of a burger. Cheese makes it a cheeseburger. Bacon, bacon cheeseburger, and so on. Oh, and don't forget to toast your buns. Of course, everyone has their own burger system. My oldest daughter likes onions, ketchup, mustard, and pickles, a la McDonald's hamburger. My common-law wife likes my homemade burgers with ketchup, pickles, cheese, lettuce, and mayonnaise. Middle daughter only eats hot dogs with ketchup, because some people just want to watch the world burn. Whereas I experiment with permutations. Say the bottom bun will feature onions, a bit too much ketchup and mustard, a cheeseburger, pickles, mayo. I changed my mind. I'm putting the tomato underneath now, and lettuce. In short, the difference between a hamburger and a sandwich is that it's a sandwich in a bun with hot meat and vegetables. Not unlike other sandwiches. In fact, it is a sandwich. A hamburger sandwich. I took the long way around here on July 4th to tell you that there is no difference. A hamburger is a sandwich. It's a bunwich, it's a hot meat sandwich, and it's its own category within the class of sandwiches. If you want to know more about sandwich taxonomy, please check out my Q&A for the hot dog is it a sandwich question. It's a sandwich, Dad. Good day.